and girls. It's quiet.
Last week, Tony down in Atlanta did the almost impossible with the Pro Street Car to show you what a former racer can do. I saw this man cut a 420 light. 2 weeks before that, he cut a 402 light.
Now, Christian,
good.
Christian developed that 4.0 response stuff, and I'll tell you, it's just an incredible automobile. I want you to watch this thing run down a quarter mile. If you got a camera, you take a picture of this puppy. This is an important scooter, folks.
These cars are both on Flowmaster mufflers.
Okay, this is John Banks of Lynchburg, Virginia, in the Camaro, the Banks Trucking 68 Camaro, powered by a 706 cubic inch Gene Fulton engine. He's serious too, folks. All right, here we go. Tony Christian against